Hi, I'm Peter.
Hi, and I'm Gilles.
Welcome to the Groen Club Song Swap.
My daylight is broad, my horizon is bent. I cry for more while you still pretend. Now the curtain falls, now my fears transcend. They tear down those walls and introduce the end. The moon shines bright, golden like the sand. In the darkness of the night, I start to understand. You know that I am ill, I made you sick too. Time keeps standing still and all I think about is you. I'm heading back to Sedona, where summers never pass. I'm heading back to Sedona, where winters never last. I'm heading back to Sedona, where the moon and the stars align. I'm right back on my own to find that peace of mind. It all just fades away. First it gathers dust, then it turns to gray and breaks down in rust. Those daffodils of mine have all but disappeared. Can I call you one last time before I'm off to my old frontier? I'm heading back to Sedona, where summers never pass. I'm heading back to Sedona, where winters never last. I'm heading back to Sedona, where the moon and the stars align. I'm right back on my own and find my peace of mind. Erase my sins and fly away. 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 I'm heading back to Sedona until I've done my time.
So, how did you like it?
It was absolutely fabulous, man. Because I have the song done in my mind, and I've never ever would have put in a drum machine, but you did. So how did you? It was amazing. How did you get that idea of the drum machine?
The thing that really grabbed me about your song is how the lyrics convey that sense of space and loneliness and being apart from everything. And to me, the natural thing was to have a very sparse instrumentation and have as few people collaborating on it as possible, so that you have that sense of large empty spaces and being alienated from society, from the world. And this is why the drum machine actually came, with that sort of, I'm apart from society.
It's funny, it's scary actually, because I didn't tell you actually what the song was about. I just sent you the song and the lyrics, and this is exactly what the song, that's the essence of the song, is being apart and alienation and loneliness. So that's exactly, you got it pretty, you nailed it actually. It was pretty damn good.
I'm glad.
Oh, light of my day, never let the sun go down.
So now it's my turn. I also chose one of your songs. I did Light of My Day.
Oh yeah, why that one?
Well, I went with my gut. So it was, it's obviously a love song. So it was warm outside, the weather was sunny, and it kind of was the same vibe as the one in the song, in your song. And I just tried to make it as warm as possible. So I just did those big open chords to kind of give it that extra bottom end and not put too much other instrumentation in it, just to keep it light and breezy, but still kind of warm.
Okay.
Light of my day, never let the sun go down. Oh, light up my way through this tired, weary town. Light of my day, let me hold on to your hand. Show me the way, take me only as I am, I am, I am. And the rain may fall and soak these streets of gray, and the clouds may gather but they won't chase us away. Providence calls when I can go astray. To you I run, light of my day. Light of my day, you always bring me joy. Of my day, you're the one who makes me whole. Oh, oh. The rain may fall and soak these streets of gray, and the clouds may gather but they won't chase us away. And Providence calls when I can go astray. To you I run, light of my day. Know that days will come where everything feels hard, but I know you'll be around. You will light the way that leads to my escape from this day-to-day charade.
fall and soak these streets of gray. And the clouds may gather, but they won't chase us away. Providence calls, oh, and I can go astray. To you I run, light of my day. Light of my day.
So, Peter, how did you like my version of Light of My Day?
Oh wow, yeah. It's really surprising, but in a good way, because this song was written really fast. As I just decided I'm gonna write a love song, and I wrote it in 15 minutes, and I didn't have two thoughts about it. I just liked it, and that's it. And I think you sort of found a deeper meaning in that song.
It's funny that you say
really
that
cool.
because when I asked you if we could do Okie together, the reason why I chose that song is because I found it meaning in Okie that was not there. So guys, if you don't know that, Okie is short for Oklahoma. But I thought it would mean something else, like that Lata made up a word, like something between okay and not okay.
All right.
So you feel like, how do you feel? I feel okay, you know, it's kind of like a little bit okay, a little bit not okay. So it got this, when I listened to that song, I had this completely melancholic view of it. And then, of course, he told me it was about Oklahoma, and I was like, geez. But still, I like it. That's because I like it so much.
Yeah, I really like that song because it's sort of like that a rambling man type of song. You know, the American ideal of just going out there and go where the road takes you. And it's the good thing about it, is that it shows both sides. I think the freedom and what you have to go without when you live that kind of lifestyle. And I really love that song for it. And I just love the guitars in it. The riff is really, really cool.
Okie is a song, first of all, the expression Okie is short for Oklahoman. If you're from Oklahoma, you're an Okie. But it's not a nice thing. Now it's a nice thing, but in the old days it was not a nice thing to say, because the people from Oklahoma who migrated to California during the Great Depression, the Californians called them Okies, and it was kind of a way of looking down at them. But now I think that the expression is used without any bad intention. In fact, there's an album from J.J. Cale called Okie, and I think they're quite proud of being Okie. And Okie for a little while is the line from the chorus, because I lived in Oklahoma for some time. I lived with the piano player Rocky Frisco, who introduced me to the whole scene there. And so it was, it's like a song of appreciation for the Oklahoma culture and songwriting culture. And it's also a song about traveling and having the adventure of living just with a guitar on your back and sleeping in people's couches and just traveling from one place to another.
It's been a while since I slept in a bed and not a couch. Spread myself and made love to you. It's been okay sleeping fast learning songs and running wild. Dusty clothes, dusty appetites too. Okie for a little while, I'm feeling pretty good, yeah. Okie for a little while, I'm still running back to you.
It's been a trip and a blast, missed your lips and the rest. Come here close, kiss me gentle and kind. I had my fill every night, made some friends, said goodbye. Now I'm back hoping those lips are mine.
Okie for a little while, I'm feeling pretty good, yeah. Okie for a little while, but I'm still running back to you. There are times that I wish I had taken a dog. This ain't no place for a woman like you.
It's been some time since I slept on a bed, not a couch. Spread myself and do what we do.
Okie for a little while, I'm feeling pretty good, yeah. Okie for a little while, I'm still running.
I thought Gilles and Peter did a great job. I wasn't expect they changed the arrangement. I wasn't expecting them to change the arrangement, but you know, I know those guys. I've played a couple of shows with Peter, who replaced my guitar player 1 or 2 times, so I know that he knew the song. And with Gilles, I also played last year a song with 0.5 where we actually played that song in the set, and so I knew that they both knew the song, but they surprised me, especially the ending of the song. And I mean, I was sure they were going to do a good job, but yeah, kind of like, how do you say, chapeau, because I think they both, you know, they sang their lines, and the guitar work is really nice, and it sounds really credible. Because I know that both of them, Peter and Gilles, they both also traveled in America, so they know the backdrop. They know the adventure feeling that the song was about. So yeah, very happy with their version.
Frontier. I'm heading back to Sedona, where summers never pass. I'm heading back to Sedona, where winters never last. I'm heading back to Sedona, where the sand replaced the grass.